Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 357th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you. We have reached another milestone, 17,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you again, my friends, for watching and tuning in. Now we're on to 18,000. Well, today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you a Southern staple. We're going to make Southern fried okra. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this make a great side dish served with fried chicken, meatloaf, pork chop. Everybody's going to fall in love with this recipe. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my side dish and vegetables playlist for more recipes and my previous video, old-fashioned buttermilk pancakes. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your oil, your okra, and your cornmeal sugar because we're about to fry some fried okra magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have one 16-ounce bag, which is 1 pound of frozen cut okra that I thawed, or you can use the fresh cut okra. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Oh, and I pat the okra dry. Alright, so now we're going to set the okra aside while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright my friends, in my pan, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons each of self-rising flour and self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. And into the flour and cornmeal, I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon each of kosher salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon each of cayenne pepper for a little kick. And white pepper, or you can use black pepper. And give that a stir. Alright my friends, now we're ready to coat the okra. I'm going to take some of the okra and coat them into the flour and cornmeal. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating the okra and heat up some oil, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have a pot of canola oil heating up and it came to temperature. So now we're going to gently put the okra into the hot oil. Like so. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Alright, so we're going to let the okra fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. They don't take long. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying my okra and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through frying my okra. And I put them on the plate with paper towels to drain. Look at that beautiful crust. Nice and golden brown. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright, so now while they're still hot, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on them. Alright, perfect. So now I'm going to plate them up and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern fried okra. Doesn't that look good? And I'm serving it with a dipping sauce. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab this one. Dip in a little dipping sauce. Look at that. Y'all hear that crunch? It's crispy. The okra's nice and tender. It's flavorful. Ain't nothing like fried okra. This is marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. Fried okra-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.